Hello. We got a custom knife here. It's made by VanderMeulen. And it's the Wrath. Number 3. He makes all these knives with manual machines. A lot of handwork goes into these. I really like his designs. Oh. Nice big full backspacer. I like that. Just like how backspacer feels on knives. Not a giant one like my double homicide. Let's check out the blade. Yeah. Big cool looking Warncliffe. Got a nice thick deep fuller going through the top here. Super cool. Good slicey hologram. Yeah. Pretty excellent. Fuller flick it. Yeah. There we go. The Wrath. This guy, maybe just a hair under 9 inches overall. Looks like 3 5/8 cutting edge. 4 inches from here to here. Nice long cutting edge on this guy. That handle just feels really good. Really good shape there. It's a great grip on this thing. Feels really good. I think I mentioned that. Jeff VanderMeulen. Super cool looking stuff. I like these plain kind of stone-washed look. He does all different materials and steels. This is got some writing. It's got a signature in there. And in December 2024, CTS XHP blade. Nice jimping. Goes out from the handle onto the blade. Feels really good. I'm going to enjoy carrying this guy. Very smooth action. Awesome custom knives. All the lines work together nice. Shallow pocket clip. Try it out. It works good. Yeah, I really like the work he does on these. Seamless backspacer. Centered up good. Yeah, super happy I picked another one. Under VanderMeulen Bladeworks knife up. Let's see what we got in the pouch. the card. Wrath number 3. Super cool. Yeah, this guy is going in my pocket right now. Yeah, that flipper works super good. Oops. Yeah, even the fuller works just great. Oop. There you go. Trying to do it kind of upside down. Got my fishing poles right here. That's what I ran into. Yeah. The Wrath. He's doing different sizes of these. He's got a larger version. Well, last I looked on Instagram, he's doing like a 3-inch version, I think. Awesome looking knives. That flipper, that's where it's at. So nice. That fuller's cool. There we have it. Hope you're having a good day. Thanks for watching.